So this is the digestive system. The digestive system is composed of a series of organs that help chemically, mechanically break down food into nutrients that are necessary for the body to function. It starts with the mouth. The food will travel or be chewed up by the mouth and the teeth, and help with saliva. We'll start breaking down the food into a shape or different shape called a bolus, and we'll start allowing the enzymes to break down the food. It will then travel past the pharynx, which is the throat, the epiglottis, which is a flap of skin that closes off the respiratory system and does not allow the food to get in there, down into the esophagus, where peristalsis is most likely to occur, and that is a wave-like motion of the muscles to push the food down down the esophagus into the stomach. It will first have to pass the cardiac sphincter, which is muscles will clench and not allow the food to regurgitate back up into the esophagus. The stomach, a little pass into the stomach. Stomach is composed of 4 areas: the cardiac, the fundus, the body, and the pyloric regions. The stomach will smush and crush the food and start digestion, and with the folds of rugae and gastric juices, and it will produce a paste-like substance called chyme. It will then pass out the pyloric sphincter. The pyloric sphincter controls the content or the regulation of the gastric contents that goes into the small intestine. The small intestine is composed of 3 parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The small intestine, with juices from the liver and the pancreas, will help start the breaking down of food. It will digest the water, and it also will, with the liver and pancreas, break down the proteins, starches, and fats in the food. The food will pass into the large intestine. The large intestine is composed of the cecum, the ascending, the transverse, descending, and the sigmoid colon, along with the rectum and the anus. The large intestine is for water and fiber absorption, and will move the food and change it into feces. The feces is stored in the rectum before it passes out the anus, or passes the anal sphincter and out the anus. The glands, or not the glands, some things that are not, or important in the digestive system that are not yet mentioned are the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. The pancreas produces juices that help with digestion in the small intestine. The liver produces bile and detoxifies the blood, and the gallbladder stores the bile.